Hi and welcome to the channel. In my first video, I decided to create a simple JavaScript program that the student is very familiar with. This is the odd even number checker. Most of the programming class start with this simple application to be more familiar with the basic syntax of their preferred programming language. So, without further ado, let's start. In the first part of our coding, we will create the HTML basic structure. Next, we will work with our HTML components, which are the text box, button, and div that display the result. We will assign to the text box the word number as the ID. In the button, we will put the event on click and leave it blank for now. Also, putting the word result as the ID of the div. After creating HTML components, we will now create JavaScript codes. My plan is to create two functions. The first one is the isAddNumber function. This is a pure function which will process the parameter or the input number in the text box. We use modulus as the operator to know if has remainder or don't have. The second function is the update result function, which convert the result from boolean to the actual message. To display the result, I use getElementMyId and assign the message to it. The last part of our coding is assigning the function update result in the button tag and putting the value of the text box in the parameter. And that's it. So now let's try our code in our web browser. As you can see, our application is working. When you put an odd number, it will display an odd number message. But if you put an even number, it will display an even number message. That's it for this coding episode. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe